Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm showing you around this Kawasaki Z125. Now you probably already guessed it's a 125cc, learner legal. You can ride this on a CBT. It's powered by Kawasaki's single cylinder engine that produces about 14 brake horsepower, and that gives the Z125 a very good power to weight ratio. It's a very light bike, which is why it's so good for first time riders. This is a 2019 bike. It's on a 69 plate. It's only done 500 miles from new, so it's pretty much a brand new bike. It's due its first service, which will be done by us prior to delivery, so full service history, 2 keys, all the original owner's manuals, and as you can imagine, for the mileage, it's very clean. So I'm going to start you at the front. 17-inch lightweight wheels. Just have a single disc on these, and the reason for that is because it's such a lightweight bike, it doesn't need twin discs. It would just add weight unnecessarily. So big front disc with ABS as well. It's got 4-pot calipers, as you can see. Non-USD forks, it doesn't need those. Those are not adjustable. They're more than adequate for first-time riders. This particular colorway is a satin finish in white, and it's got the green accents all over it, as you can see. Looks really cool. Obviously the Z range is fairly synonymous with Kawasaki. It goes from a 125 right the way up to an 1100 now, so they're all very sort of stylistically, they're very similar as well, so they're all designed to sort of look like each other. Nice tubular frame on this, that's finished in green. Like I say, cosmetically, this is a really tidy bike, as you'd expect. It's completely unmolested, in standard original condition. It's got the original exhaust fitted to it, which is quite quiet, I have to say. You know, perhaps from a visibility perspective and a cosmetic perspective, you might want to change that. We do offer free fitting on any accessories purchased with the bike, so if that's something you're interested in, tail tidies, that sort of thing, please let us know. Massive rear brake on this, again ABS, 17-inch rear, so lots and lots of tyre options available to you if and when you come to replace them. The seat height on these is quite low, so again, you know, being a first time rider, if you are, that lends itself quite well, gives you a bit of stability. Most people will never take a pillion on these, which is just as well because it's quite a small pillion seat. Around the front, loads of visibility. You know, no screen to speak of really. It's a naked bike, very similar looking to its bigger brothers, the 800, 900, etc. The bike is data tagged, as you can see on the frame there. That basically means that if the bike ever were to be stolen and parts were recovered, they would be able to identify that as being from this bike, and therefore make a prosecution of some description. It does help with insurance as well to some degree. Things like chains, sprockets, brakes, tyres are all checked and adjusted during our pre-delivery inspection, or PDI. The bike will come with a 3-month warranty. It will be serviced. It'll have its first service, as I already mentioned, and we do a complete check over as well. Like I said, it comes with the owner's manuals, 2 keys. The bike is also alarmed and immobilised, so it's fitted with a data tool alarm. This is probably one of the better alarms and immobilisers that are on the market. We do recommend, when bikes are fitted with alarms, because they're constantly drawing battery voltage, we do recommend that you have some kind of battery charger, trickle charger fitted to the bike, and we can supply those for between 30 and 50 pounds, depending on the specification that you go for. Fully digital dash on these, which is really nice, very simple and easy to read. You've got your fuel gauge up the left hand side here, your speedo, your rev counter goes across the top there. There you can see the mileage of the bike, 548 from new. Obviously you've got your clock and all the rest of it here, so very simplistic, nice and easy. You don't need any more information than that really. Let's give her a start up for you. You'll hear the alarm self-arm itself after maybe 30 seconds or so. All of our bikes come with a 3-month warranty. Our used motorcycles come with free delivery within England and Wales. We do deliver to Scotland for a small charge. We can offer finance and part exchange. So if those are things that you're interested in, or if you've got any general questions, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp live chat, we've got all the social medias. You can pop into the showroom for a coffee and a chat, try the bike on for size, or if you've got any questions, please feel free to pick up the phone and give us a call. That's it from me. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope to speak to you soon. Take care.